life of a content creator very easy, sha. I've not been videoing, no.
After shouting, my handwork, my handwork, my handwork.
Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In today's video, I'll be making my girlfriend's hair. Guys, I am not a hairstylist. I didn't learn or go to anywhere to learn how to make braids or cornrows. I make my girl's hair. So yes, I learn how to make the little I can from making my daughter's hair. So guys, watch this video to the end and rate my handwork if I actually do or if I actually did well. Yes, rate me if the hair is nice. But to me, I feel like I did an excellent job on the hair. Actually, I always make her hair. Anyways, this is not the first time for me making her hair. But you know now, as a content creator that I am now, everything I have to bring it to you guys to show you guys to get your own opinion on it. So, making kids' hair and adult hair are not the same. To me, I feel like making an adult hair is kind of easier because when I say adult hair, not this my friend, though, this my friend can be very stressful sometimes. Eh? She and Sophia is the same. You're telling her to keep your head one place, keep your head one place. She still want to gist. She still like this. Now I'm above this. It's my friends. She and gist now 5 and 6. Anyway, I still love her like that. She's not my friend, she's a sister to me. So yeah, so making an adult hair to me is better than kids hair because kids I just have to keep rotating myself, moving myself from one location to the other. We have to cry, we have to look for something to eat, we have to look for something to keep them busy. But with adults, I mean, when you push their head one place, they leave it that way until you do otherwise. So guys, let me leave you guys to watch this video and tell me and give me a thumbs up if I did well and write in the comment section what do you think about the hair. Is the hair beautiful? Anyway, I know that the hair is beautiful. You guys don't even have to tell me. I know. In fact, I'm giving myself the flowers for someone who is not a hairstylist or who didn't even go to learn how to make hair. Just learn it out of nowhere. So yes, I'm giving myself the flowers. So please, guys, watch this video to the end. I beg you guys, support your girl by watching it to the end. And if you think you like the video, please don't forget to give me a thumbs up. And if you've not subscribed to the channel and you think that what I am doing is good, is what you like, please don't forget to give me a thumbs up. And I will see you guys later. whole day job today. I swear. Look at how beautiful this braid is looking. I'm not going to blind you.
Please, we'll do your long fingers.
It's night, so we cannot see this hair so well. Like, because they do me, make I go start to make my own hair.
Don't lie to yourself. You know you won't do it.
I beg, I don't get strength for that pain. Make I go pour hot water. Then we'll come back again.
Are you stop recording?
Life of a content creator, no easy, sha. I've not been videoing, no.
After shouting, my handwork, my handwork, my handwork. What do you guys think?
Now you know they laugh.
I'm not laughing at you. I'm laughing at your stupidity.
Okay, raise your heads
stupid
up.
Human being, like, I be doing right now.
You like they laugh.
Sorry,
Then they see you or yeah laugh. You're absolutely funny this person.
See, just tell them that your stupidity is why I'm laughing.
I can put this focus. If I know this place is better. Pepe. Guys, what do you think? I and my beautiful friend, don't mind how she's just acting up. This is her face. Anyway, her face, there's a place that was burnt. So that's why she's covering it. She don't want people to see it. Apart from that, she's still beautiful anyway. So rate my handle, guys.
Stop your recording now.
It's recording. Hey, I need to take a picture too so that